Expanding the lifestyle portfolio in India, Xiaomi has finally launched the much-awaited Mi trimmer. Although it has an attractive design, the aggressive pricing is what makes it more attractive. The box looks like an elegantly designed mobile phone box with a traditional Mi orange color, which is kind of nice. Inside the box, we have the trimmer, the power cord, the carry case, an extra comb with different length settings, and the cleaning brush. The way the product and the accessories are arranged is also interesting. The trimmer looks minimal with a cylindrical design and a matte black finish, which looks more like a microphone to me. It has a grippy rubberized texture which makes it easy to handle even when you have to hold it for a long time. The carry pouch also has an elegant design and looks sturdy. It can house the trimmer power cable and the cleaning brush. The charging cable provided can be used with a mobile adapter for charging. It supports both corded and cordless usage. Mi claims that a full charge will support up to 90 minutes of usage. Beneath the dial, we have the power button, which is clicky and very responsive as it immediately turns on the trimmer running. We also have the 3 LEDs showing the current battery backup and charging status. The trimmer is surprisingly quiet and you can feel the slight vibration when it is working. On the top face, we have the settings dial, which is firm and has a glossy finish with number indication for different blade lengths. Moving the dial is smooth and you can feel a click when it easily falls into the desired setting. The dial has 40 length settings, where the default comb has up to 10 mm length and the secondary comb can be used to go up to 20 mm in length. To detach the comb, rotate the dial to the highest setting and then pull out the comb. The removal process is fairly easy. Mi trimmer is a balance of aesthetics and technology. Moreover, the self-sharpening blade and the IPX7 waterproofing will make it your trusted travel companion.